When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountains should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, I won't cry, no, 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 I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Wherever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Stand by me, stand by me, stand by me. So darling, darling, long as I know I got you right here by my side. Come on, just stand right here. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble
Hi, Kat Kat. Hi, Bato. Hi, Batochi. Happy birthday, brother, sister. I miss you so much. And I love you so much. Aray ko, parang untog ata ako. Ay, masakit dito sa likod ko, Kat-Kat. Nagkakatanda na ata ako. Parang, ano ito tusok sa likod ko? Ano ba ito?
Hi, Sister Kat Kat. I love you so much and very much. I just want to greet you happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Kat Kat. I hope you have a great life. Happy birthday.
P.S. Do not drink way overboard. Happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
Birthday mo na ngayon.
Birthday mo na ngayon.
Dagdag isang taon.
Dagdag isang taon.
Birthday mo na ngayon. Birthday mo na.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat!
Happy birthday, Tigat. Wish you all the best and see you soon, Tigat. And yun, magbagong buhay na.
More birthdays to come. We miss you.
Miss you.
Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Ang konti ng ano mo. Happy birthday, Ate Kat. Wishing you all the best. And take care of yourself. Mahal na mahal kita. And ingat ka palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. Wishing you all the best. Ingat ka dyan palagi. See you. Happy birthday, Ate Kat. Stay healthy and happier. We miss you.
Sana nagusto mo yung bati namin. Peace.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat.
We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and long life. Ingatan mo po yung sarili nyo. And more blessings to come. I love you and we all love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. Sana mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo. Sana maging healthy ka and maging mayaman ka habang buhay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday, Tita Kat Kat. Happy birthday, Tita Kat Kat. Sing. Harap, sibiyog mo. Go. Sing. Day to you. Go. Happy birthday to you. Sing mo, Tita Kat Kat mo. Happy birthday to you. Sing. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Super bigat. Say happy birthday, Tita Kat Kat. Say happy birthday, Tita Kat Kat. Love you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Kat Kat.
More birthdays to come.
Stay healthy. We miss you.
Hi, Sanpits. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Eid Milad to you. Happy birthday. May this blessed day of yours be filled with love, joy, and contentment with herms. Okay? So, be a good girl, charot, charing. But anyway, happy birthday. Na-miss ko na yung banding natin sa Manila. So, God bless and I love you. Mua, mua, ma. And this is Chinga.
Happy birthday, Kat!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Brad!
Happy birthday! Happy 40th birthday! Medya?
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. Thank you. Lagi niyo po kaming ini-invite. God bless po.
Brad, maligayang bati sa iyong karawan at sana ay bumaba pa ang buhay mo. Mag-relax, mag-enjoy, at magbukas ng Banayad Whiskey. Ganun lang, Brad. Ganun ang buhay. Enjoy mo lang. Huwag ka magpaka-depress. Okay? I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kati!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kati. Have a good day and good health. And always pray to the Lord. Happy birthday.
Happy blessed 40th birthday, Kati. Ika nga, life begins at 40. 40 ka na. Happy birthday!
Hi Kat, happy 40th birthday. You are such a beautiful soul and I hope this year brings you even more love, laughter and blessings. My wish for you is a life filled with peace, purpose and people who truly make you feel loved. Enjoy your special day. Ikaw pa rin ang Miss Universe namin. Ingat kayo dyan.
San Pete, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. 40 ka na. So, alam mo na, ingat-ingat. Ingat-ingat sa mga food. So, same na tayo. 40 years old na. Enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. And then, sana magkakasabay tayo ng bakasyon next year. Miss ko na kayo ni Herms. Ingat and enjoy lagi. Love you, San Pete.
Hello, kamusta kayo dyan? Para ito sa isang tao na naging daan kung nasan ako ngayon. Alam niya yon, sa Caloocan pa yun. May travel agency pa si mami niya. Kung di dahil sa kanya, siguro puro pambabae na lang ginagawa ko. Yung tipong anak dito, anak doon. Anyway, buti na lang nakontrol ko siya. Nakontrol ko ang pag-inom. Siyempre, nasa ginsan natin yung pambabae, no? Hello. Para kay Maria Catherine DeBurg Codrington, happy 40th birthday sa iyo. More blessing and good health. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I love you. Salamat.
Happy 40th birthday, Kat! Enjoy your day and have lots of alcohol for me. I wish I could be there with you drinking with a nice shot. But then I'll drink for you. Don't worry, I'll drink for you. Enjoy your day and God bless always. All right? See you here in Melbourne. Bye.
Hi, Kat. Happy 40th birthday. God bless.
Happy 40th birthday, Kat-Kat! Alam mo yan, mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw ang bunso namin ni Tin. Ha? I'm so happy dahil nakikita ko maayos kayo dyan. Kayo ni Hermes, ang tagal-tagal nyo na. Happy ka sa buhay mo dyan. At pinagdadasal ko na sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay. At syempre, alagaan ang health, ha? Mahal na mahal kita. Tandaan mo yan. Alisa, join us na here.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat-Kat!
Oh my
Ingat
God.
kayo lagi.
Si
Stay healthy and
Wenwen.
safe.
Ito pa, ang dami ko ng anak, nadagdagan. I love you, Kat-Kat!
Ingat kayo dyan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tol! Happy birthday, Tol! Happy birthday, Kat! Maraming salamat kasi naging kaibigan kita. Maraming salamat kasi yung mga panahon na yung high school tayo, yung mga sinasabi mo sa akin, naka-record sa akin. Ano ba yung mga sinasabi mo dati sa akin? I-value yung pera, i-appreciate yung kung ano meron ka, demiskarte sa buhay. Yung tatlo na yun, lagi kong naka-record yun kasi yung nakita ko yung high school tayo, napaka-diskarte mong tao. High school pa lang, napaka-seryoso mong tao talaga. Napakasipag mo. Kaya lagi kang tulog sa classroom. 'Di ba? Lagi kang tulog sa classroom. Kaya maraming salamat. At ito lang din yung masasabi ko. Kasi ka talaga, naalala ko, mabait yan, sobra. Mabait. Kasi kahit hindi niya kilala, kinakausap niya. Walang kayabang-yabang. Hindi ko siya makita ng kayabangan. Pero, pintasera. Ewan ko nga yan kung nagbago ka, Frenny, ha? Pero hindi ka mayabang. Pintasera ka lang. Diba? Pero, ito lang, masasabi ko sa lahat. Si Cathy, napakabait na tao yan. Hindi ko siya makitaan ng kayabangan sa lahat ng bagay. Very down-to-earth person talaga siya. At hindi ko rin na-feel din dati, yung high school tayo, Kat, na outsider ako. Sa clan nyo, pag pinapakilala mo ako sa mga pinsan mo, kainuman ko, natutulog lang ako sa bahay ni Lola eh. Na-feel ko na parang feeling ko, pinsan ko rin kayo. Kasi Santos din ako, diba? Kaya ganun. Kaya maraming salamat dahil nakilala kita. Naging kaibigan kita, tol. Maraming salamat kasi wala. Yan lang. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, healthy life, syempre, money, lahat. Yan lang. Yung lahat ng best, yun ang wish ko sa'yo. Okay? Stay lang sa pagiging mabait mo, tol, ha? At pagiging pintasera mo, hindi ko alam kung patuloy pa rin yan. Joke lang. Pares lang tayo, okay? Happy birthday and I love you, friend. Yun lang. God bless. Mwah.
Hi, Kat! How are you? I just want to greet you happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Of course, good health and a peaceful married life. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday again. Bye!
Hi, Kat! Happy 20th birthday. Twice. 40 ka na. Happy birthday and wish you all the best on your 40th birthday.
Hi Kat, happiest birthday. Di ka nakalimutan. I'm so proud of you. At alam ko yung mama mo sa heaven proud din sa'yo and happy. Go on doing good, great things. And God bless you and your family. Love you.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I've loved again.